Hey there, gorgeous souls. Welcome to a journey where your dreams meet reality. Ever dreamed of making money online? Imagine waking up every day excited to work on something you love. That's right, turning your passion into a paycheck. It's not just a fantasy. It's a tangible goal you can achieve. It's totally possible, and it's more exciting than a plate of rainbow bagels. Picture yourself thriving in a world where your creativity and skills are your greatest assets. Whether you're a creative spirit, a tech whiz, or a business mastermind, there are countless ways to monetize your online presence. From blogging and vlogging to freelancing and e-commerce, the opportunities are endless. The best part? You get to call the shots, set your own hours, and build something truly extraordinary. Imagine the freedom of working from anywhere, anytime, and being your own boss. Ready to dive in? Let's unlock those digital doors and turn your online presence into a money-making machine. Together, we'll explore strategies, tips, and tools to help you succeed. So, are you ready to transform your passion into profit? Let's get started. Affiliate marketing is like being the cool friend who gives awesome recommendations. You partner with brands and promote their products or services to your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Cha-ching! Getting started is easier than you think. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate connect you with thousands of brands and products. Choose products that resonate with your audience and watch the magic happen. Imagine getting paid just for people watching your amazing content. That's the beauty of ad revenue. Platforms like YouTube and Twitch allow you to monetize your videos with ads. YouTube, for instance, requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. It sounds like a lot, but with dedication and killer content, you'll reach those milestones in no time. Remember, consistency is key. Post engaging content regularly, interact with your viewers, and optimize your videos for search. Ready to partner with amazing brands? Sponsorships are a fantastic way to monetize your influence and reach. Brands are always on the lookout for authentic voices to represent their products or services. Start by creating high-quality content that aligns with your niche. Engage with your followers, build a strong online presence, and don't be afraid to reach out to brands you love. When negotiating deals, know your worth. Consider your audience size, engagement rate, and the value you bring to the table. Selling your brilliance, products, and services. Welcome to the exciting world of turning your passions into profit. Got a knack for creating amazing things or offering valuable services? Whether you're a master crafter or a digital content wizard, there's a place for you. The online world is your oyster. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, coaching services, handcrafted jewelry, or quirky t-shirt designs, the possibilities are endless. You can reach a global audience with just a few clicks. There's a platform for you. From niche marketplaces to broad-reaching platforms, you can find the perfect fit for your products and services. Consider selling digital products on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. These platforms make it easy to upload, market, and sell your digital creations. If physical products are more your jam, don't worry, there are plenty of options for you too. Explore Etsy for handmade goods. It's a fantastic platform for artisans and crafters to showcase their unique creations. Or consider Shopify for setting up your own online store. Shopify offers robust tools to help you build a professional-looking store with ease. Remember, The key is to solve a problem, fulfill a need, or spark joy with your offerings. Think about what makes your product or service unique and how it can benefit your customers. Happy customers are the best advertisement. When you create something that people love, they'll keep coming back for more. So get out there and start selling your brilliance today. Diversify your income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Imagine this, you're rocking the affiliate marketing game, but suddenly the algorithm changes and your earnings take a dip. Don't panic. That's why diversifying your income streams is crucial. By having multiple income sources, you create a safety net for your business. If one stream slows down, you have others to keep the cash flow steady. Plus, it opens up more opportunities for growth and expansion. Embrace your journey. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and a sprinkle of patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere, and they all face challenges along the way. Embrace the journey, celebrate small victories, and never stop learning. The online world is constantly evolving, so stay curious, adapt to changes, and never be afraid to experiment. Tips for success: patience, persistence, and a pinch of pizzazz. These three elements are the cornerstone of any successful venture. Whether you're starting a new business, building a brand, or simply trying to grow your online presence, remember these key principles. Here are a few extra nuggets of wisdom to guide you on your monetization journey. Be authentic. Authenticity is the foundation of trust. When you are true to yourself, your audience can sense it, and they will be more likely to support you. People connect with genuine personalities. They want to see the real you, not a polished, perfect version. Share your highs and lows, your successes and failures. This transparency will create a deeper connection with your audience. Let your true self shine through. Provide value. Always think about how you can add value to your audience's lives. This could be through educational content, entertaining videos, or products and services that solve their problems. Offer valuable content, products, or services that solve problems or improve lives. Engage with your audience. Interaction is crucial. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a dialogue. This engagement will help you build a loyal community. Respond to comments, ask questions, and build a community around your brand. Promote yourself. Don't be shy about sharing your work and promoting your offerings. Use every opportunity to showcase what you have to offer. Don't be shy about sharing your work and promoting your offerings. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to building a loyal following and establishing your online presence. Regular updates and consistent messaging will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency is key to building a loyal following and establishing your online presence. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. Keep pushing forward, stay true to yourself, and don't forget to add a pinch of pizzazz to everything you do. Conclusion. You've got this. There you have it, gorgeous souls. You now have the knowledge and inspiration to transform your online presence into a thriving business. Remember, it's all about finding the methods that align with your passions and skills. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there, create something amazing, and show the world what you're made of. I believe in you. Now go out there and make some magic happen.